love you. And we have drinks over there sponsored by Home Bay. We have sparkling wine. So feel free to mingle around. If you have any questions, I am here. Thank you for coming. Does anybody else want to say anything? No? Okay. Well, the mic is here with me if you want to say anything. Cheers!
Patrick!
Here, is he still here?
Maybe he left.
Well, I got another card for me here, but it's got a name written on it. It's quite read.
That's great.
I'm gonna check your driver's license, sir. Yeah, you, that's you. Daniel Shu, Pacific Evergreen Realty.
I think he left also.
Already. Rash Pandey.
Where'd you go? Lucky group.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
So with that, I think we'll do some tours. Any questions to let? Oh, we got lots of food. Whatever you're trying to tell me here, Brittany.
Yeah, please.
It looks like there's an entire pig over there. I believe that's what that is. We've got an entire pig over there. Stay in. We've got lots of watermelon. Looks like some chow mein. As I said, we got lots of wine over there. Very man, hook yourself up. What else? Oh, we're very proud of this. This is our first ever newsletter. It came out this past week. Take an issue of both with you. Some summer reading. Throw it into your Birkin bags when you go to the beach. Bust it out and take a read. And hopefully you enjoy the writing in there. With that, I guess we'll go. Who's going to lead? Who wants to go upstairs? Santa. She's going to take the tour upstairs. And then we'll wait for you to come down and we'll go over to the Chase Our Kitchen.
Anybody want to take a tour? You can welcome take a look.
Take a tour.
Yes, and the beautiful Pampers upgrade.